How does nature-inspired time management affect work-life balance? Have you ever noticed how a walk in the park can change your entire day? Nature has a unique way of influencing our time management and personal development. Let's explore how nature-inspired time management can improve your work-life balance. Nature-inspired time management involves using elements from the natural world to shape our daily routines. One of the first ways this approach helps is by changing how we perceive time. Spending time outdoors can make time feel more expansive. This shift allows us to focus on long-term goals rather than just immediate tasks. When we feel like we have more time, we can prioritize our responsibilities better. Another benefit of connecting with nature is stress reduction. Being around plants, sunlight, and natural views can lower stress levels and improve concentration. This is essential for both work and personal life. When we manage tasks more efficiently, we create space for relaxation and personal activities. Practical applications of nature-inspired time management can be simple yet effective. For instance, taking short walks in nature can help clear your mind. These walks provide a sense of spaciousness, making it easier to organize your tasks without feeling overwhelmed. You can also incorporate natural elements into your workspace. Adding plants or ensuring you have natural light can boost productivity and happiness. When you feel good in your environment, you are more focused and less stressed, leading to better time management skills. Observing nature can offer productivity hacks as well. For example, studies show that having plants in your workspace can improve memory retention and overall workplace happiness. This can lead to increased productivity, allowing you to complete tasks more efficiently. The impact on work-life balance is significant. By enhancing focus and reducing stress, nature-inspired time management can boost productivity. This means you can finish your work more quickly, freeing up time for personal activities. Additionally, with a broader perspective on time, you can prioritize your tasks more effectively. This helps you manage both work and personal responsibilities without feeling overwhelmed. Lastly, the calming effects of nature can improve your mental health and overall well-being. This contributes to a healthier work-life balance by reducing burnout and increasing satisfaction in life. Incorporating nature into your time management strategies can lead to better productivity, improved prioritization, and enhanced well-being. All of these elements are essential for maintaining a healthy work-life balance. So, the next time you feel overwhelmed, consider stepping outside and letting nature inspire your time management approach.